Hi guys, and welcome to a brand new company and a brand new unboxing to the channel. I am so excited to announce that I will be doing TEMU hauls. I do just want to give a massive shout out to the lovely diamond paintings with Pidda and also diamond paintings with TM, who have very kindly, it was actually diamond paintings with Pidda first, who've notified me that this has just come to the UK. And then obviously Diamond Paintings with TM kept me up to date with, she kept checking it every other day. But in here, we've got 4 paintings. We've also got a couple of key rings. They're not diamond painting related, but I thought I'd chuck them in. I cannot tell you how cheap this company is. This company is so cheap. Now, not very often do I get 4 diamond paintings in one packet, but it just goes to show how cheap they are. We will be doing these so often. They are so quick, it's unbelievable. I think I had to wait like a week and 2 days. It is really, really great. If your order is late, you do get yourself a £5 credit, and they do free shipping and free returns on some items. So we're going to get into this as best we can. There is a hell of a lot of tape on this. Also with TEMU, you know it's going to be a TEMU package when it comes because it's always in an orange bag. But we're going to try and get this in as best we can. It's quite got quite a lot of tape on it. Oh, look! Oh, yeah, man. Right, let's open it here. So the first thing that I got, let's put it over to one side. I've got 4 different things in here. The first thing that I got was, I don't actually remember what that was. Oh, yes, I do. This is part of my Disney theme that I'm doing later in the year. And this was a 30x40, and it is of a Beauty and the Beast little rose. So as you can see, we take this open. You can see it's a 30x40. This has been on my wish list with Amazon for some time. And then obviously since TEMU came about, I can actually get it a hell of a lot cheaper on TEMU. So what I'm doing now is any paintings that I like, I'm seeing if it's going to be with TEMU first, because I can get it a little bit cheaper as well. So in here we've got ourselves the painting. It looks really, really gorgeous. It's a 30x40 painting. And it's got the 24 colours there. I think the print is absolutely gorgeous on that. That looks really nice. You've got your standard boat there. So we'll put that over to one side and we'll take a look at the drills here. This is a round drill. And looking at these look really gorgeous. Let's take a look at that. Now, what you can do with TEMU is, say like you've checked out and you saw something else that you like, you can add it into the order before they check out. You have to do it pretty quick or they ship like the next day. But this is really lovely colours, as you can see. You've got some purples, some blues. Oh, that's nice, dark blue there. Pinks, it's got a lot of pink in this. Some really dark blues, that's nice. Lots of pinks. Oh yeah, look at that, Sunny Stormy, your favourite. And then lots of purples in that. So that's really, really lovely. I'm really happy with that. The quality's good on that. Really, really lovely. So we'll put that over to one side. The next thing that I got was another painting. Now this is going to be quite funny because I've actually done this painting before, but I lost all the drills to it, and I thought, do you know what, rather than just try and use spares, I'll just cut my losses and I'll just buy a new one. So the other one went in the bin, unfortunately, but I bought it again on TEMU, and inside here we had a lovely, lovely package. Look at that. This brings back lots of memories because I used to do this before. But this is a 30x30. As I said, I'm really liking the 30x30 sizes. It's coming out so lovely. I'm getting really fond of it. We've got yourself a tray there. So this, again, lots of lovely colour blocking, lots of confetti there. Confetti is what we call when we've got loads of different colour. So really, really good. Looks really, really lovely indeed. Nice quality there. It feels quite thin on this canvas, but that's pretty good. And then obviously we'll take a look at the jewels itself. I hope my key rings are in there. But as you can see, we've got 3 packs. This is really popular. Look at that. 3 packs of white there. Really, really lovely indeed. So as you can see, lots of pinks, lots of greens, lots of blues, a bit of yellow, greens and purples and all sorts there. Got some lilac there as well. So that's that package. I then got myself, let's see if I've got my, oh yeah, I can see the key ring. Should we do another painting or should we do a key ring next? Let's do a key ring next. So the next thing that I got was, oh my god, these are huge. Oh wow. As I said, this is not diamond paint related, but this is one of the things I saw after I checked out, and then it let you added it. Wow, that's a lot bigger than I thought. Oh wow. Oh sweet. Now what really grabbed me for this was because it's such a cute keyring. It's got that robotic look to it, and yeah, it's quite articulated. You can move it about and stuff, and it looks like it's doing the splits there. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Cool. Oh, I'm really impressed with that. That's come out a lot bigger than I thought. It's just like a clip-on sort of toy keyring there, which I thought was really, really lovely. So I got that. Let's do another painting next. I think. Oh, I got really panicky then. I thought my other keyring weren't there, but but in here, another one that I've done previously, but again, I lost the drills and I thought, you know what, it's just cheaper to reorder it. So I got this. Again, this has been on my wish list for a while, but I am slowly moving things to TEMU because I can, what's lovely about TEMU is you get it cheaper and it gives you time to work on other projects while you wait for the next project to come. So it's just gives you more time to work on stuff. But this is going to be one of my beach paintings. In here, which is the starfish, and this is the 30 x 40 starfish. You've got 22 colours in there, a lovely summery sort of painting, lots of colour block there, and you've got layers of different colour, which I really, really like. The starfish looks a bit 3D, and then up here you've got like a little reflection of what probably the cloud or something. Looks really, really lovely. We've got the tray here with your bags and stuff. Let's take a look at the drills. So take a look over here. But yeah, I'm really impressed with TEMU. I'm definitely going to be ordering them again. Absolutely fantastic service. So as you can see, pinks and browns and oranges there. We've got some blues. Oh yeah, that's sexy. Look at that. Oh wow. I've not worked with that before. That's gorgeous. Oh, a little bit mauve there. That colour and that is absolutely phenomenal. I like that. That's lovely. It's always nice when you get like colours where, because sometimes you get the same colours over and over, so it's nice to get some different colours that you've not worked on before. So that's that one. So let's go back to another keyring here. So the next one I got was a little red one, and I thought, oh yeah, I've got to add that. Now they've got other colours, and I wanted to give it a go. And I didn't know whether to get the yellow or the red, and then I saw the red and I was like, oh, I've got to have it. So a lovely little red sort of keyring there. Really, really lovely. It's plastic. Got a little keyring there. It's lovely. It's really lovely size. I think I paid about 90p for this. But the amount of quality in this product's really, really lovely. So last but not least, we've got one more painting in here, which is really lovely. And it's the favourite one of all. So that's the end of the TEMU bag there. But this is one of my favourites. Now, I believe I used to do this with Diamond Express, but obviously I've not bought from Diamond Express for a while because I'm not going to go into the ins and outs of it, but the customer service was really, really not nice. That's all I'm going to say on that one, but I really did not appreciate how I was spoken to. So I don't do Diamond Express anymore. So I thought, you know what, I want to cut this, I want to chuck it in the bin. I don't want anything that reminds me of that company. And I thought, well, I'll get this and I'll redo it. And it took a while for me to find it, but I'm really happy with this. So I used to do a little cheetah, and it looks like that. And I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. 30 to 40 again, really sexy, vibrant confetti colours there. We've got 24 colours there, and it's just got this lovely splash of colour. Really, really beautiful, beautiful colouring there. And I'm really looking forward to doing this. Absolutely gorgeous. I have got quite a few leopards, so when I saw this, I was like, I've really got to have this. It's absolutely lovely. So really, really good. Let's take a look at the drills here. So the drills are... Take a look at the drills here. And as you can see, some really, really lovely colours there. So this has got loads of colours in it. So lots of pinks, lots of variety of pink. I love it when you get a painting where you've got different variations of that colour. So a bit of dark pink, a bit of light, you know. And then we've got like a bit of balmy green. This is lovely. What a lovely company. And that is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely love it. So out of all them, do let me know what you like. But that is absolutely fantastic quality. As I said, we've got this one. We've got a few key rings in there. As I said, they don't just do diamond paintings. They're very similar to AliExpress, although TEMU get here a lot quicker than AliExpress. So yeah, we've got some different paintings there, a few key rings and stuff. But please let me know what your favourite is. I paid probably about a tenner just for 4 of these, because most of them were, I think they were near enough £3 each. They're so brilliant. I'm really happy with the service. The service has been great. You know, it's been here within a week. I think it's absolutely fantastic. The quality is phenomenal. Really happy with my key rings. But anyway, I look forward to doing all these whenever I can. So please remember to like, share, subscribe. Check out TEMU today, which is in the United Kingdom, and get shopping with them. They are fantastic customer service. They're fantastic speed delivery. Get shopping with them. They've got free delivery on some things. You get free returns. You get a credit if your order's late arriving. And they do deliver with Hermes. They do, I think they do Raw Mail and Yodel, but mine came with Hermes, which is every now. But yeah, but that's my Temu haul. What I can assure you is there will be a hell of a lot more orders from Temu. I'm really happy with my purchase, and I can't wait to order again. So until next time, catch you later. Bye.